Today, I'm going to show you how I use this to put gold and copper onto this. And it's not gold leafing, it's even better. Stick around, this is fun. Hi. All right, I wanted to show you guys how I do my gold plate on these. I don't use a standard gold leaf method. I find that you can't get the detail that I'm looking to get on that. So not as precise as I'd like to go. At least I haven't mastered it to be precise. I tend to use a Dr. Martens. It's kind of a iridescent calligraphy color. It's an ink, and this is copper plate gold, and this works exceptionally well. The other tool that I use, which is probably a little different, is this is like a normal calligraphy pen. A lot of people put ink in here. It's a Sakura. This thing, because of they're not, I don't know what it is as far as the hairs or bristles that they use, but it's not hair, obviously. It's a synthetic blend of something. But man, it holds that point, and it holds it so well. Even after washing, it doesn't tend to degrade like a normal brush does. These things have lasted me a long time, and I have several different sizes. I have the small one, which I use the most, and I also have a larger one here to cover larger areas, obviously. What I do first is I print these out on a Giclée. I have a big Epson 800, and I print out basically a Giclée print. It's really hard to tell the difference between the two, isn't it? These things look like an original, but I will experiment on these on where I want the gold to be. This one, as you can see, I did across the cobwebs, and I did some of the little bugs that I put in there, and then this one was my first step, because this is how I originally saw it, just the hoops around her head in that gold, and I like that. I think that's where I'm going to stick. I'm not going to do the cobwebs. I think I lose some of the subtleness and wispiness when I turn them to gold. But I did like the little bugs. I think kind of cool. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to do this. So anyhow, I'm just going to show you how I do it. What I've done is I have gotten to a point where I sprayed this with a fixative, so it's pretty set, and I'm just going to start. I do use this bar to help me not touch the piece. Let's just start with this one here. This always freaks me out because you start working on your original, and there's really no going back. If you blow this, you're kind of going to blow your piece. So take it easy. You can tell I'm really even a little shaky right now because I'm so nervous about blowing it. So just take a breath. I'm so shaky. Oh my gosh. Almost think I need to stop and take a breath for a minute. I'm going to rotate this just a little bit. Sorry about the little bumpy. Keep hitting it with my head a little bit. Nice. I'll take that. It's a little probably hard to see. I'll show you in just a few of what it looks like when it's all with the light on it. You kind of saw it there like that. Looks nice. I'm liking it. Do what we're doing. Kind of a little ball hanging from it. And I do like the idea of these kind of thick and thin. Not these perfect little pieces going around her head. And the thing about this is sometimes you do have to go over an area once it kind of gets a little bit of dryness going. Sometimes you have to go back over it. Here's another reason why this pen is so good. Because it's a calligraphy pen, it's meant to do what I just did, and that's go around and maintain that same width without having to lift the pen because it's a flat bristle or the bristles just aren't perfectly round. Or like a lot of brushes, they get used a little bit. Next thing you know, they're just not as clean. At least the shape of them isn't as clean. Here it's just start going anywhere, bristles. And I think on the other one, I added, because there just wasn't as many circles here, and so I added some, so I'm going to do the same. Let's see how many I added. I'm going to add another one. I think I'm good. I think if I do anything, I might just want to add, like I have two little ones down here. It'd be nice just to add. Just like that. Just that one. And really that's it. It gives it a, a gold leaf look, but you could just be so much more accurate this way. Yeah. See, these are a little bit thicker than the other side, so I think I'm going to just go in on the other side and just thicken one or two up. Just so I have a little bit more of a consistent feel to it. I think I'll call that good. So the other thing that I've done is I have, and I'll do a separate video on this, but it'll be fun to show you here, is I have painted the bevel of the mat gold so that when this goes on over it, like that, it's going to have this beautiful gold feel to it. It's going to be really pretty. So anyhow, there you go. That's how I add gold to my pieces. So yeah, I see those little areas here, and you can kind of scratch those out of there when you see them in the light. I don't know if you saw that or not. Anyhow, here we go. Yay. Anyhow, guys, take care, and stick around. My next video, I think, is going to be what I use to seal these, so that I can do this. You guys take care. See you later. Bye.